Hello, welcome back to Realtime series. In the last video we saw that what is real-time and why it is useful. In this video we will learn how to enable real-time, create channels and trigger that real-time channel on the Xano for a notification example. Okay, let's jump to Xano workspace. This is how our Xano workspace looks like. At the first, right, now we need to come to the Xano dashboard. Before that we need to have a Xano account. If you don't have one, you can follow the Xano document section and you can sign up and get an account. After that, after creating a Xano workspace, how to come to dashboard. Here on the right side, you'll be getting a settings icon. On that, you'll be having a real-time setting. At the first time, it will be like disabled. We need to enable it. It will take some time based on how many tables do we have. After enabling it, we need to create a channel. We are already having one channel. Just to show how to create it, we just need to name a channel and it will ask for a we need to enable the nesting channels or not. It is something like we wanted to send the notification based on an organization or people, right? Based on them, right? Like if you have multiple users, we want to send them individually, we need to enable. Then we have a permission section over here based on the whatever our requirement. Based on that, we have to select these things. Then we'll having a message history controlling, like caching things, something like that. We can control the history of the message in the channel. Also, we'll be having a channel trigger. Okay, we can whenever this channel will be triggered, we can also have the trigger for that channel. Whenever we, for example, if we have one notification came and at that time we need to trigger on something like we have to add a new row or data, then we can add a channel over here and just need to save it. We have already created a notification channel over here. Okay. After this, we just need to copy this connection hash to connect it from the front end. Okay, now we can go to API and create a new API where we can create a notification API and it will like create a new notification, record in the notification table. At that time, right, we'll call the real-time event. This is the one function that will trigger the channel. We can specify the channel name and also like this is the nesting used for this one. Like we can specify the organization or a user name, something like that. Currently we are using the organization ID for particular organization. We are just triggering the notification and sending notification. In the notification we can send the data also. Whatever data we send, right, whatever the data we save in the notification table, that we are sending here. Okay. Also we can make use of a table triggers for the sending the notification. For example, we have one. Yeah, this is the activity log table where we are storing the activity log and sending the current particular data like a row as a notification. Okay. For example, we have created a trigger over here for every data adding inside of that. We are triggering the channel, something like notification channel. We have created another channel over here. We are calling that and passing it to particular user ID. Okay. That's how we can make use of a notification. That's it about enabling a real-time and creating a channel and triggering the channel on the Xano. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we will see how to connect this on front end and get the real-time notifications. Yeah, thank you for watching.